My curry mee is here. And this is not like anything I've seen before. I've never seen sotong this big before. Look at it. I hope you guys can see this. So I'm just gonna explain what it is. It's noodles. Usually there's yellow noodles as well as rice noodles. However, I don't think there's rice noodles in this one. Not rice noodles, sorry. Yeah, rice vermicelli noodles, yes. And then there's tofu. There's 3 huge prawns here. There's some lime, which I'm gonna use in a bit. And there's eggs here. And potato as well. And bean sprouts. That's a lot of ends. So I'm just gonna give it a try. I'm a bit shocked right now. I've never seen Mee Kari this luxurious before. I guess that's the reason they're famous. So I'm gonna move this baby to the side. Okay. And gonna squeeze some lime. Okay. 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 So we'll get a bit of sotong, if it's even breakable, because sotong tends to be a bit hard to break. I guess I have no choice but just to chew it. So finally. This is really interesting. It's pretty good. There's less soup than I expected there to be, because usually the mee curry I have a lot of soup. But it's pretty alright. Let's have a bite of the prawns as well. So I removed the prawn head. And I'm just gonna chew it, guys, because I can't possibly do this elegantly anyway. I gotta say, the prawn is fresh. So I'm having a really hard time eating this in front of camera because there's a lot of things going on. But I'm gonna give you guys my review so that I can continue eating behind the camera. So overall, this plate I'll give it a 6.5, 7 out of 10. I really love that it has a lot of things on it. It has prawns, it has sotong, it has everything on it. But like the missing points are like, it's just your normal mee curry. The greatest difference is that it has a lot more stuff on it. But overall, it's a good mee curry. It's not bad. It's pretty decent. So if you're in the area, want some mango shake, and you want some mee curry at the same time, have a nice evening meal, lunch, anything, just drop by and give this a try. I'll see you guys next time, and stay tuned for more episodes of Beauty and Food. Bye!